In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the customer advances in Teleprime. As you can see here in this transaction on 13th January, it says receive cash in advance from Albert. So we have received 5,000 from Mr. Albert. Now Albert is our customer. Why do you think the customer will pay us any amount in advance? That might be because they are ordering us a bigger amount order with a lot of quantity. So we want some kind of advance so that we can start working on their order. And on the very next transaction, you will notice that we have also received the sales order from Albert. Order number is 25. And we have Corolla windscreen, Civic headlights, filters, and the quantities are these. So only 12 Corolla windscreen cost 6,720, 2,100 and 350. So against this big order, we need some kind of advance. So we are receiving 5,000 as an advance. I'll just remove this all. And let's now quickly see how we can receive this customer advances first and then how we can record the sales order. Now in Teleprime, we are in the daybook, but if you want to just directly switch to the vouchers creation mode, you will directly press alternate A. And then we are in the accounting voucher creation mode. But for this particular transaction, we are receiving the money in cash from Albert. So that means we need to switch to the receipt mode. On the right hand side, we have the receipt mode. Just switch it up and we are receiving cash. And we are receiving this against Albert. And the amount is 5,000. Hit enter. Now this amount is received as advance. So I'll choose the method of adjustment to advance. And we can mention any reference number like ADV001. Hit enter and enter. And just continue entering until you're back on the screen. Just hit enter again. And in the narration, I can just copy all this and paste it right here and press Ctrl A. As soon as I press Ctrl A, you will notice I'm back on this particular screen where we can see the daybook. And also we can see the latest entry of Albert for the advance receive. So this is how you can book the customer advances in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.